Hey guys, Ed here, and today in this video we have a 2015 Toyota Camry, and in this video I'll show you how to change your tail light bulbs in this car. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the trunk. And here we have two sets of tail lights. We have one set here, another set's right here. So first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you on this side, just to give you a pretty much look. Over here inside you have a bulb. To get there, so we have enough space to work on, we will need to replace these two clips. Remove. How do we remove them? Just get the middle piece out, and then it comes out like this. Hope you can see it nice and clear through the camera. Again, like this. Okay, it's very simple. Then we are able to get to the bulb. To get the bulb out, spin it and pull it out. Simple? Yes. That's it. That's in case if you have to replace this bulb. Just gonna try to wiggle it back in. And when you have it back in, click it in and you're all set. To put the clips back in, just put them in and press inside. Same thing here. Put them in and press. If you have to work on this, let's say on driver or passenger side, over here you're gonna have a thing. For some reason this car is missing it. Pretty much same clip. So you take the clip out and then you are all set to get to your lights. To get the light out, again, spin it, pull it out. Here's the turn signal. Put it back in, spin it. Same thing here. Spin it, take it out. Remove the light if you need to. Just pull it off with the fingers. That's it. Make sure it's not hot before you do that. And spin it, and it's in place. You can see, super duper easy. Everyone can do this. You can just do it in a gas station where you can buy bulbs, AutoZone, or whatever is comfortable with you. After that, just put the rubber piece back in place and you are all set. So same procedure with this side. So guys, I hope this video helps, and if it does, please press the like button and have a great day. Bye.